Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this part, which is tutorial number 86. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part in FreeCAD. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and first thing which I will do is to insert a body, and we will on our plane, and we will select this top planes to create our base feature. So select top plane and click on the sketch, and now go to the model tab and hide, and now here we will create a slot. So we will go here, slot tools, and now we will give the horizontal dimension center to center 60 mm, and this radius, or we will select a diameter and we will give it a 50, and now I will move the dimensions. Now I will close my sketch, select the sketch, click on the pad and give the pad of a 10 mm. Now switch to the isometric. Now we will create this boss profile, and for this we will select this top face and click on the sketch, and we will project this outer edge. So click it on project geometry and project it. Now switch to the top plane and create a circle equal to our projected one, and now we will close the sketch and click on the pad and give the pad distance of 20 mm, and click on OK. Now we will create a cut at a bottom side. So we will select this bottom face and click on the sketch, and we will simply create a rectangle, and select vertical dimension and provide the vertical dimension of 20 mm, and from this point to this point provide the 10 mm, and now provide the overall length 120, and from this to this is of 30 mm, and create a cut of 6 mm here. Now we will come out of the sketch, select the sketch and click on the cut, and here give the value 6 mm, click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric. Now we will create this slot. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will project geometry and click on the slot, and we will switch to the wireframe, and select the horizontal dimension. So it is already 60 mm, and center to center is of a 12 mm. So select horizontal dimension and make it 12, and slot radius is of a 12 mm. So select here radius tool, and come out of the sketch, and from here switch to the flat lines. Select the sketch, click on the pad, and give the pad of a 4 mm. Click on OK. Now we will remove the material for the slot. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will here project this outer radius, and click on the slot tool, and this radius is of 6 mm, and here we will click on project geometry and project this, and we will select this and click on the merge, and press 0 for isometric, and come out of the sketch. Select the sketch and click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will remove the material at this portion. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will create a rectangle, and we will provide the dimension. Let's provide the overall length of a 70, and from this point to the origin point of 35, and provide the width of 12 mm, and from center it will be 6. Now I will move my dimension so that you can clearly see it. Now we will close it. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and provide the cut depth of 6 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create this hole. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will select the circle tool and create a circle. Go here diameter, and provide the diameter of a 20, and come out of the sketch. Select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will provide the color. So select the last feature, go to the appearances, and here click the shape color and click on OK. So you can see that we have successfully modeled this part in FreeCAD, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.